Today we're going to make a ballerina doll. For this craft you'll need some paper, preferably cardstock. You'll also need some scissors, you'll need some glue stick, and you'll need some butterfly clips. For this craft, I'm using a template. You can find a link to this template so you can print it off in the description below. Start by drawing a face on your ballerina. Then, color all the pieces. I'm using markers, but you can use crayons or pencil crayons, or even paint if you'd like. When you've finished coloring all the pieces, it's time to cut the pieces out. Next, use glue or tape to attach the hair to your ballerina's head. Once the hair is attached, glue or tape the ballerina's head to the body. If you are using the template, you may notice that there are letters on the limbs. These letters go together. You can attach the matching letters with a butterfly clip. I'm using a hole punch to make it easier. You may need an adult's help with this part. Once you've attached the arm joints together with a butterfly clip, use another butterfly clip to attach the arm to the ballerina body. Again, it might be easier if you use a hole punch or a sharp pencil to punch a hole through the arm and the body first. Remember, ask for help if you need it. Continue to attach the matching pieces together with butterfly clips. Be sure, if you're using a hole punch, not to punch holes too close to the edge of your pieces. Once all the pieces are attached, you are finished and you have your very own ballerina doll.